Hi, my name is Joanna Cahill. I'm the owner of Healthy Home Cleaning. We're a green cleaning business based in Asheville, North Carolina that specializes in the use of non-toxic cleaning products. Today, we're going to talk about how to remove tea stains from wool carpet. Okay, so what we're going to need today is baking soda, some vinegar, cold water, and a bowl and a spoon for mixing in. Okay, I've pre-mixed here, but what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take half a cup of cold water and you're going to want to mix it with vinegar. Okay, and we're using cold water specifically and not warm water, because if you're using warm water, it's going to make stains set more into your carpet. So again, I emphasize use cold water. Okay, we're going to make a paste now. So we're going to take some baking soda. Going to go ahead and pour it into our bowl, and then just add a little water. It's that nice fizzy sound. And we're just going to keep mixing here until you get the consistency of a paste. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit more baking soda. So our measurements don't need to be exact. You just want to keep kind of adding until you figure it out, until it comes out to be a creamy consistency. Much like white frosting, but I'm telling you, you probably don't want to eat this. It doesn't taste very good. Okay, so now that we have our nice paste mixture here, I'm going to go ahead and take some of that paste and pour it onto our stain here. Okay. You're going to want to let that paste sit on the stain for just a minute or two. And after a minute or two has passed by, you're going to want to take a clean cloth and go ahead and blot your baking soda vinegar paste into the stain. So after we've blotted, we're going to go ahead and kind of remove the solid paste from the top of the carpet. We're just going to use strokes and gather up the solid bits of baking soda paste towards the center and go ahead and just kind of pinch off as much of that as you can remove. Okay. Don't worry about getting it all here, but once you've removed as much as you can, we're going to go ahead and go back to that vinegar water solution, and we're going to pour it onto the stain. Love that fizz. You can just tell it's working on our stain here. Little vinegar baking soda soldiers. And then we're going to go ahead and blot again. Let that stain lift right up into your cloth. You're going to want to go ahead and repeat this process until the stain is fully removed, until no more yellow or whatever kind of tea you have is on your cloth. And then once the stain's removed, just go over it with some cold water until you get all of that residue out. You want to make sure that you get all of that baking soda residue out of there, and then you're done. This is Joanna Cahill from Healthy Home Cleaning, and I want to thank you for watching how to remove tea stains from your wool carpet.